course, our last but not least, some parsley, coriander. Yummy, yummy, delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is where you have simple meals to prepare in your house in less than 30 minutes. You're good to go. So on this amazing episode, I'm going to show you how to make an avocado salsa. Let's get started. So for our ingredients, you need really 2 ripe avocados, some tomatoes, dice them up, some onions, dice them up, of course, to garnish our parsley. Yes, and then we have some vinegar to put our onions in. We put vinegar and the onions, and then they remove that acidity from the onions so that you don't feel it, the tanginess. So after that, you rinse with cold water, and of course 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So the first thing we're going to do is put our onions in vinegar. So get a bowl, put them in, some vinegar, and you're going to let this rest for 5 minutes to remove the acidity. As you can see, the color has started to come out. Yes, there you go. So we let it rest for 3 minutes, then we're gonna rinse this off with cold water as we work on our avocado. So I like cutting it into half, and then those half I cut again. Then you can decide to actually peel this off. It's still easier. This again, just dice them up like this. Put as many avocados as you want, depending on the number of people you have. The more the better. I'm gonna add another one. Avocado is done. We're gonna put them in the bowl. We're going to rinse this in cold water. So we're gonna put this in our avocado. Then we're gonna put our tomatoes. And then just a tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, and then you just mix it up just like this. And you have your avocado salsa. Don't forget to sprinkle your salt and black pepper to taste. So we're going to do that. So put some salt, and of course, as usual, some black pepper to taste. Some salt, then mix it up. It is so good. and your salad is done. Call it avocado salsa. It is so good. So this can be a side for your meat dishes. You have your even pastry dishes. Yes, so make this and you will love it. So of course, our last but not least, some parsley, coriander. Wow, avocado salsa done. Look at that. Yummy, delicious. For all your meat dishes, you can have this as a side. Of course, I'm gonna have a taste. Here we go. Delicious. Bye bye. See you next time.